mynews.studio.
A vaccine, once used in a pandemic, is now being adapted for cancer treatment. It's a big shift. Do you think this could be a turning point for millions of people?
Today's date is June 13th, 2025. There's a lot of talk about a new era in cancer care. But what's really changed to earn those headlines?
The main leap forward is with personalized cancer vaccines built on mRNA technology. It's the same platform behind some COVID-19 vaccines, but now it's being customized for each person's tumor.
So how does that actually work? Cancer's pretty unique from person to person, isn't it?
Right, that's the key. Scientists sequence the tumor, look for unique mutations, these are called neoantigens, and then create an mRNA vaccine that teaches the immune system to spot and attack those exact changes. It's
a bit like giving the immune system a personalized guide, right?
Exactly. A custom map for the immune system. The idea is to direct the body to target only the cancer cells with those mutations.
But are we seeing results? Or is this still mostly in the lab?
There's tangible progress. For example, in pancreatic cancer, which is often very hard to treat, half of the patients in a recent trial who got a personalized mRNA vaccine stayed free of metastasis for a year and a half. That's not been seen before with this cancer.
That's a big change. Has this approach worked for cancers besides pancreatic?
Yes, at Dana-Farber, all 9 patients in a kidney cancer study stayed cancer-free after surgery and a personalized vaccine. With melanoma, combining an mRNA vaccine and immunotherapy cut the chance of the cancer coming back or causing death by nearly half.
So is the main benefit in stopping cancer from coming back? Or are people living longer too?
Both, actually. In these studies, the immune response from the vaccine lasted for years. T cells that recognize the cancer hung around even during chemotherapy. Patients whose immune systems reacted strongly had much longer periods without their cancer returning.
Do these vaccines only work for solid tumors, or could they help with cancers like brain tumors as well?
Early trials are including brain tumors too. In animal studies, the immune response looks strong. As long as a tumor's unique mutations can be found, there's potential to design a vaccine, no matter where the tumor is.
That's encouraging, but what obstacles are left? This isn't something that could be ready for everyone right away, is it?
No, not yet. Each vaccine is made for one person based on their tumor's specific mutations. So, it takes genomic sequencing, fast manufacturing, and strict quality checks for every patient. It's not a standard shot off the shelf.
And what about the bigger picture? How do you even approve a drug that's different for each patient? That sounds like a regulatory challenge.
That's a real issue. Regulators need new ways to assess these personalized therapies. There's also the cost. Sequencing, manufacturing, and trained staff add up. Many places don't have the labs or even basic cold storage needed.
So even if the science is there, access depends on logistics and resources. What's being done to make these vaccines available to more people?
Some countries are teaming up, sharing technology, and training local teams. But to really expand access, especially in lower-income areas, there needs to be more investment and international cooperation.
And what about long-term safety? Are the current trials big enough to show what happens 5 or 10 years down the line?
Not yet. Most data come from smaller or early-stage studies. Larger, more diverse trials are starting, but results could take 3 to 5 years. Researchers need time to track how often the cancer returns, how long people live, and any late side effects.
Why does this matter beyond people who have cancer now? What's at stake for everyone else?
Cancer is still a leading cause of death worldwide. If these therapies work out, they could make many deadly cancers manageable. That would change healthcare everywhere and what a cancer diagnosis means for millions.
So we're really at the start of a big change. The technology's there, but the next steps will be about making it available and affordable across science, policy, and economics.
The science is advancing quickly, but the bigger question is whether these breakthroughs can reach everyone who needs them. Will cancer stop being a death sentence in our lifetimes?
We'll keep following this story, looking at what these developments mean for patients and for healthcare systems around the world. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for listening. We discussed how mRNA cancer vaccines are changing cancer care, some early successes, and the challenges to making these treatments widely available.
Thanks for tuning in. This episode was brought to you by mynews.studio. Try it now for free.